All right, y'all. So I got the microphone on. We're gonna see. Hopefully, the sound quality is a little bit better than the in-car quality that he used during the car vlog about a week ago. So we're about to see what this little rural town of Terrell, Texas has to offer as far as the Nike outlet. I think they got Adidas and Levi's, Hanes, Crocs. I don't know. Ain't much out here. But we're gonna see. My hopes aren't high. What about you, Jay? Your hopes aren't either? Alright. So we'll see what's going on. Get back to y'all when we get inside. Charlie Wilson was playing in the bathroom?
Yeah, that's so weird. Meanwhile, I'm in there singing.
And you singing along?
Nah, I was wandering.
Let her live. She working.
Welcome me.
How you doing? Doing well. Alright, so we done made it inside, obviously. She's looking for something pretty specific as far as like some Nike shorts and tech. I don't know what she's looking for, but I said that I would just ride along. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the camera off me and see what's on some of these shelves. I think I'm in the grade school section. Got some Dunks, all the colorways. Obviously, I ain't made it to the hash wall yet or anything like that. So, up and down the grade school / women's section. I don't see nothing yet, nothing too crazy. Hash wall back here. Look like they're doing 30% off the hash wall. Not a bad number. 40 would be even better, but I'm gonna go up and down the aisles first. Got some of the, you know what I'm saying, Mexican mics. All the Mexican mics in one spot. This look like it's all GS as well. Nice sale price. I think those are mids. I personally don't do the mids. You didn't see what you was looking for? It looked like they got a bunch of mids and more Mexican mics. You feel me? I don't even see. Have I even walked in? Have y'all seen adult size sneakers yet? Am I tripping? Excuse me, guys. Maybe I'm on the wrong side of the store. So I think it's all women's. Maybe I was just on the wrong side, y'all. Maybe I'm tripping. It's all women's and GS over there. Let's go over here. See what we got. I'm not gonna go to the hash wall yet. Let's go up and down the men's size aisles. Excuse me, sir. Sorry. It's not a bad price for these. You know what I'm saying? Not necessarily more Dunks. A lot of colorways. A lot of things on sale. Got some low top trainers. Got the P6000s, different colorways, a lot of different colorways, 59 to 90 to 69 to 80. You know what I'm saying? All right. All right, I'm gonna go down one more aisle and then I'm gonna look at this hash wall. This smells like fart in here. A bunch of LeBrons on sale. Oh, look what we have here. I'm assuming these will probably be full retail price, but they got the new UNCs in here. All right, let's look at the men's section of 30% off the hash wall. Look like we're in size 12, 11 and a half. I don't see anything just jumping out at me. Some P6000s. Man, I don't even see anything worth pulling off the shelf to even look at. Bronze, 135. What's the retail? No, I don't see anything, guys. They're no different than Ohio outlets, unfortunately.
I like that.
All right, let's shut this shit off.
How are we doing today, boss?
Doing well on yourself?
Oh, I'm doing amazing.
Good. All right, well, Nike outlet was a complete bust. Like, complete bust. Like I said, inside, it's just like Ohio, just as bad. So we're in Adidas, and I don't even. How you doing? They don't even got sneaker shelves. They just got like little racks. So I know there ain't gonna be anything in here. I'll flip y'all around real quick. Yeah, it's just a bunch of shoe racks. It's not even anything on display, so you would know what you're looking at until you get up on the boxes. But I'm not surprised, just because I think Jay feels more of a way than I do. But I knew that we were coming to a really, really small town, so I didn't have any expectations that it would be anything down here worth buying. So, I mean, it's unfortunate because we drove a long way to get down here, but hey, it is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta get out of the house, you know what I'm saying? You gotta explore. You never know what you might find. So, hey, it is what it is, man. But I'm gonna cut this off here. I ain't even gonna waste no more of my battery life on this little rural outlet. So, we out. OV!
Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Off fire you desire, my rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they count. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.